Ever encountered the frustration of attempting to compress files, only to find that the resulting file size remains stubbornly large? File compression is a powerful tool for reducing the space occupied by data, but understanding the nuances of the process can be key to achieving optimal results. In this tutorial, we'll explore the intricacies of file compression, addressing common challenges and offering insights into why certain files may resist size reduction. Whether you're dealing with bulky documents, images, or multimedia files, this guide aims to demystify the compression process and empower you to efficiently shrink those files without compromising quality. Let's embark on a journey to unlock the full potential of file compression and conquer the quest for smaller, more manageable data sizes. So we will use WinRAR. WinRAR is a popular file compression and archiving utility that uses various compression algorithms to reduce the size of files and folders. The compression process involves several techniques to achieve efficient compression, and not all files can be compressed to the same extent due to their inherent characteristics. I've compressed a game client folder. The original size of the Valorant game client folder is 43.5 GB, but after compressing it, the size is only 16.4 GB. Additionally, I compressed the client folder in parts using the split feature. I will explain everything you need to know in the WinRAR tool. Different file types have varying levels of compressibility. For example, text files and documents usually compress well because they often contain repetitive patterns that can be compressed effectively. On the other hand, already compressed files, like JPEG images or MP3 audio files, may not compress much further, as they are already in a compressed format. We will choose the default compression. RAR. WinRAR is a popular file compression and archiving utility that uses various compression algorithms to reduce the size of files and folders. WinRAR allows users to choose the compression level, ranging from store, no compression, to higher levels like fastest, fast, normal, good, and best. Higher compression levels typically result in smaller file sizes, but require more processing time. Choosing the appropriate compression level depends on the balance between the desired compression ratio and the time available for compression. We will choose normal, but you can choose fast if you want and you have enough time for it. WinRAR uses a dictionary-based compression algorithm where it analyzes the input data and builds a dictionary of patterns to replace with shorter codes. The size of this dictionary affects compression efficiency. A larger dictionary can potentially find more patterns for compression but may require more memory and processing power. In my opinion, you can go 128 MB or 256 MB if you have 16 GB RAM and mid-range PC setup. Now, the split section of WinRAR is where you can divide your compression into parts. My viewers needed the Valorant client folder in parts, each being 2 GB. So I have chosen the 2 GB option for this. Now, regardless of the number of parts created, each one will be 2 GB in size, and if the last part has insufficient space, it will be created in a smaller size. WinRAR can create solid archives where multiple files are treated as a single data block for compression purposes. This approach can improve compression ratios, especially when dealing with similar files or files with repeated patterns. Now, lastly, you can set password for protecting the archive file that you compress. Also, you can set comment as a hint in which you can show the password if you want, otherwise that's all it. Remember, the key lies in finding the right balance between compression levels, file types, and the desired file size. The ability to tailor each part to 2 GB and adjust the last part to a smaller size showcases the flexibility that WinRAR provides. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can confidently navigate the compression landscape and make the most out of your storage solutions. Happy compressing, and may your files always find the perfect balance between size and efficiency. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.